us know how that bike is running. Seen everybody down in Arcadia the other day, Saturday. They're asking me, how's the bike running? Bike might have a new owner. I'll let you know in a little bit. Except there's no gas in it. I hope he knows that. I only put enough in it to start it. He's already been around the block or two, a couple of times. What'd you do?
I don't know. Did she run out of fuel, you think? No.
Yeah, I don't have no fuel in there, man.
I didn't think there was a lot. That's why I didn't go very far. But you think it ran out of fuel?
Yeah.
Good, actually. I was impressed with the motor.
Yeah, I bet you just ran out of gas. Is that a one kick Harley?
Yeah.
One and a half? Hey, SHOVELHEADFFEJ, and today me and Miss Dee Dee are at the Arcadia. Oh, hey, look, penny. I don't care. Oh, hey, another penny. I don't care if it's bad luck or not. I've never seen a penny that was bad luck. They're all good to me. Anyway, me and Miss Dee Dee are at the Arcadia Bike Fest 2023. What is this, October? November. We're early, as always. Just getting here. Street's still kind of bare. Alright. I hear a motorcycle. You gotta put your bike in there?
I'm gonna see what they're
Chopper Rod's gonna enter the bike show and win. You watch. Oh no, I just want to get, just for a second.
That place sucks. You look way handsome. That's what that was hilarious. The last one we just threw out.
You know what I tell everybody? I got to show what my wife is paying for. You know what I'm saying? I met you before.
Yeah.
Caught you looking, didn't I? Thinner. Hey, this is a great time to tell you about ShovelheadFFEJ.com and our giveaway bike. 2007 Sportster L, 1,200, 3,500 miles on it. Go to ShovelheadFFEJ.com. Check out the giveaway bike. I want to hurry up and give this dang thing away. We got, of course, hoodies, hats, koozies, stickers, all kinds of things. ShovelheadFFEJ.com. I'm gonna go back to the video. Peace.
$43 years. 43 years. This guy's had this bike for 43 years. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, it's a video. It's a video.
What do you want me to do?
Say I'm Chopper Rod and I didn't win shit.
I'm Chopper Rod, and I didn't win shit.
He did.
At number 6,
That was
right there.
my number. I took it off.
Oh, you took it off. Oh, he took it off. Wah, 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 wah.
Everybody loves Chopper Rod.
I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.